Good morning. This is Lu from Luxi Electronics. I would like to introduce you our HDMI DIY field termination. You can see here are some components. Here's the clamshells. This is the crimp tool. It's very easy and foolproof. The fastest person can terminate one end in 2 minutes. We have the 200 feet and 500 feet spools. Once you remove the jacket, you can see there are 2 flat ribbons inside. And you can just simply slide the black and the white wire holders onto each one. Then use the crimp tool to do one crimp. The next step, put the black and white wire holders onto a connected core and do a second crimp. The next step, slide the core into this beautiful gold and silver metal shells, click them together, and do a crimp to the string relief at the end. The last step, put these piano black ABS shells top and bottom, click them together, then you are done. After that, we have these 2-piece testers to verify if everything is connected correctly. And if you go very long distance, for example, 80 feet, we have this little extender at the end to amplify the signal to the display. So here you go, we have a whole family of DIY products. This problem has been solved. Everybody can do this. Please come to our website, luxielectronics.com, for more information. Thank you.